Hello friends, today we have with us Vaishali Thakkar, who you all know as Anjali from the show Sasural Simirka. She'll be playing a super fun segment of Never Have I Ever. So without further ado, let the game begin.
Hi, this is Vaishali Thakkar and you know me as Anjali, Simar ki beti. Alright, so today India Forums and me, we are gonna have some fun just for you people. So do you want to know something very amazing? Alright, get ready. Nah, but I want to. I have. To whom? I wanted to send a text to a friend, which I very unfortunately sent it to my elder brother. And it was so embarrassing, and I had to clarify a lot. Anyway. I don't have a tattoo and I will regret if I don't get one, so I need to get one. I want a tattoo here and I अभी मैं बता दूंगी और किसी ने मुझसे पहले बनवा लिया तो still I can tell you because अब मैं जल्दी से बनवा लूंगी because I've spoken about it. So a tattoo I want here. Actually I decided I did research on all over the body parts कि कहाँ tattoo अच्छा लग सकता है and I came to a conclusion that tattoo will look very good here and since I'm a very fearless girl और मैं बस ऐसे ही बोलती रहती हूँ कि मुझे actually किसी से डर नहीं लगता. Actually मुझे किसी situation से किसी इंसान से I respect everybody, that's a thing aside. I respect things, I respect everything, every person who deserves respect. Having said that, but मुझे किसी से डर नहीं लगता, ना ही situation से, ना ही किसी और चीज़ से. So I always say निर्भय भव. तो मैं यहाँ पे निर्भय भव लिखवाने वाली हूँ. Given fake number a lot. I have given fake numbers like जो लोग yes I have given fake number और बहुत दूसरे लोग परेशान हुए जिसके लिए I'm very sorry. I have many experiences when I was doing events. मतलब शो के बीच में कभी हमें बाहर जाते हैं किसी इवेंट के लिए और वहाँ पे लोग आपके पीछे ही पड़ जाते हैं. अब जो जिनका इवेंट होता है, जो क्लाइंट्स होते हैं, वो उनकी वाइफ्स या उनके घर की जो लेडीज़ हैं, दे आर लाइक प्लीज़ आपका नंबर मिलेगा क्या. अब मैं उनको खुद समझना चाहिए कि वाई विल आई गिव देम माय नंबर. आई हैव गिवन अ लॉट फेक नंबर कि एक्चुअली ये वाला बंद है, ये कल तक चालू हो जाएगा, इस पे व्हाट्सएप चलेगा एंड ऑल दैट एंड आई हैव गिवन देम फेक नंबर्स एंड हाँ थैंकफुली आई गिव. Every day. I every day Google myself just to see कि if I write वैशाली टक्कर now तो नया क्या है. और कभी कभी तो मैं ऐसी गॉसिप्स पढ़ती हूँ कुछ तो भी and I'm like really when did I do that. अच्छा ये न्यूज़ कब आई. ओह ऐसा भी है. Forgotten the name of that person I'm fooling around with. No, it doesn't happen. Dated someone and their siblings. No, I'm not. I have never dated somebody and that somebody's sibling altogether or even one by one. No, I've never dated siblings. Yes, I have. I was not asked by a person of the same gender. I was hit by a person, a very cute girl. She was very cute and she came with her boyfriend in the party. But she found me so adorable that she wanted to kiss me. And I was like, I was just looking for her boyfriend. Where is he? Please rescue me. Mine was not there, so I wanted her boyfriend to rescue me from her. No. With a fan, no? No. I do crazy stuff. I won't take the name and Actually, I don't remember also clearly the name, but I watched a secret film. But I could not watch it completely. It was so ridiculous and it was of no use. It was just, that wannabe desperation and wannabe, that overtly exposed sex. So it was stupid. Lied in an interview. Yes. क्यों बताओ? I don't want to tell what did I lie, but बहुत छोटा सा lie. It was very small because I did not want to reveal something about something, so I just took some other name. No, it was not India Forums. Don't worry. A message for my fans is that please be happy. जो भी हो रहा है दुनिया में, let it just be. Situations will come and go. If you're very happy right now, just don't boast about it. If you're very sad right now, don't crib it. Don't curse the universe. Everything has its own time, and just be happy and keep loving me. Keep loving my show. Keep supporting the way you have been supporting on social medias and through watching my show and by your mails, messages, all those I get. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Take care of yourself. Hi, this is Vaishali Thakkar and you're watching me on India Forums. Do subscribe the India Forums YouTube channel, alright?
Hope you guys enjoyed the segment, and don't forget, for more updates on your favorite stars, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Kajal Mishra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.